There is no number in the denominator. Take here 1, write like this: 4 by 1 into 16 by 20. Divide it in cross if they are divided. Read the table of 4 here. So I read it: 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So here we got 16 divided by 5, as 1 by 1 is 1. So we write here 16 divided by 5. Similarly, what we write here? Look here. Again write here 6 by 1 multiplied by 8 by 18. Divide it in cross. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 1 by 1 means 1. No need to write down. So here we write 8 by 3. Again we will write it. Look here. 54 by 25, 10 by 16. So how we will write it? First we will write it 10 by 16 multiplied by 54 by 25. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 2 8s are 16, 2 27s are 54. So we write 27 2s are 54 divided by 8 5s are 40. In this way we can solve this question. Now look here. First write the same number 18 by 36 multiplied by 3 by 90. So check whether in cross they will divide it not. So 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 0s are 0. So write here numerator 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 30 is equal to 1 by 60. This is the lowest term. Or in another way you will find it. Look here. I will tell you how to solve this. Here the question is given to you: 18 by 36 multiplied by 3 by 90. So 18 1s are 18, 18 5s are 90, 3 1s are 3, 3 12s are 36. So it is 1 by 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1 by 60. In both the ways you can solve it. This is very important part. Look here. A mixed fraction is given to you. So first convert it, multiply and then plus. Here also multiply, then numerator plus. So we write it, convert it: 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3 multiplied by 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 2 into 8 by 9. In cross we will divide it. Look here. So 9 and 9, these are cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So in numerator 4 and 16 is there. 16 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 only. 3 1s are 3. So it is 16 4s are 64 divided by 3. In this way you can solve this a particular fraction. So please go through it. These are the very important questions. Divide the fraction and reduce to the lowest term. Now look here. First we have to divide it. Where dividing fraction is nothing but to find out the reciprocal. Reciprocal means to reverse the fraction. Look here. First I will write the definition, then we will remove it. Reciprocal, please note it, to reverse the fraction. What is reverse the fraction? Numerator changes to denominator, denominator changes to numerator. Example 2 by 5. So here reverse 5 and 2, 5 goes here and 2 goes here. Look here. So in this way, this is called as the reciprocal of the fraction. Just reverse it. I hope all of you understand it. What do you mean by the reciprocal? Look here. Then how we will divide it? So what I write here first, same 3 by 8. Instead of writing divide, I write here multiplication sign and I reverse the fraction. If you change division into multiplication, then only you reverse this fraction. That means new denominator goes to numerator and this 5 goes to denominator. Now we can, if they divide, then only we can write it. Otherwise, we can multiply denominator to denominator and numerator to denominator. Here, no number is divided because these all numbers are different numbers. So I write here 3 multiplied by 9, 8 multiplied by 5, 27 by 80. So in this way, this is the lowest term, as this is odd number 27 and 80 is an even number. So we cannot divide it by the same number. That's why we write here 27 by 80 as it is. No, again we will write it 7 by 2. So what we do here, 7 by 12 right here. Instead of writing divide, I write here multiplication sign. Then I reverse the fraction. 4 by 3 I write here. Now we will take the division. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So I write here 7 multiplied by 1. Here denominator 3 multiplied by 3, 7 by 9. This is the lowest term of the fraction. Now look here. How we will convert this mixed fraction into fraction. So multiply this 4 3 is 12 and add this numerator. So 12 by 4, 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13. So 13 by 4 into reverse this fraction 3 by 2. So these again are the different numbers. So only we multiply numerator to numerator and denominator 39 divided by 8. So this is in the lowest term. We cannot divide it by 8. Again 11 by 7 multiplied by 4 by 1. Eleven by 7 multiplied by 4 by 1. So 11 4 is 44, 7 1 is 7. We can't divide it. Again convert this into the fraction 4 so 24 plus 1 25 by 4 multiplied by 5 to the 10 plus 3 13 by here first write here division sign 13 by 5, then convert it 25 by 4 multiplied by change this fraction 5 by 13, reverse it. So again 25 5 is 125 divided by 13 4 is 52. So we can't divide it, so we write it as the same. Again here no number is there, so put here 1. 7 by 10, reverse it 1 by 14, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So in the numerator 1 1 is 1 and denominator 10 to the 20. In this way we can find out the fraction since lowest term. Now this is our last topic of today's lecture, that is comparing fraction, how we compare it. To compare, we have to put these marks. Look here. This one is greater than, smaller than, or equal to. How we will find out? Now look here. Just multiply in cross, that is this 7 to this 4 and this 8 to 7. Check it. First write it 7 by 8, here 7 by 4. In cross multiply it. 7 4 is 28. This 7 8 is 56. Which is greater? This 56 is greater, so you have to write this sign smaller than. So put this sign here. 7 by 8 is smaller than 7 by 4. Again 10 by 12. So write here 10 by 12, here 6 by 12. In cross, first check it. 12 10s are 120, 12 6 are 72. This is so remember one thing. if the denominator is same and the numerator is greater, then that fraction will be greater. Remember here 10 by 12 is there and 6 by 12. Here in this question 12 and 12 same denominators are there, only the difference is in numerator. So that's why, so larger numerator here in the same denominator means larger fraction. So you write here this sign or follow this method. Again convert it into the fraction. So to multiply this, then add this, it is 13 by 5. Here also 13 by 5, both numbers are equal, so write here equal to sign. 1 by 9, 1 by 4, write here 1 by 9, 1 by 4, cross multiply, 4 ones are 4, 9 ones are 9, this is smaller, so write, put this sign, this number. 11 by 13, 12 by 13, so write here 11 by 13, 12 by 13, 11 13s are multiplying cross, 11 3s are 33, 11 1s are 11 plus 3 14, 13 12s are 12 3s are 36, carry 3, 12 1s are 12, 12 plus 1 15. So this is, that means this one. So just I have told you, if the denominator is same, then only see the numerator. If this is larger, then this fraction will be larger. In this way, you can find out how to compare these kinds of the fractions. And I hope all of you enjoy this lesson. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.